So welcome you all for the next video lecture session. So I am I Govindraj, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Engineering. Okay, here we are going to see the travel cells in circular singly linked list. Okay, what is travel cells? Nothing but we are going to visit all the nodes present in the singly circular linked list, and then after that we are going to display what are the elements present in the circular linked list. Okay, that we call as a travel cells. Okay, here we are going to see an example. Okay, consider the four nodes present in the circular singly linked list. So each node having a two fields, one is data field and address field. Data field having a all elements or your information, be string, it may be character, anything else. Okay, and then next field pointing to the next node address. What is next node address is 1200, and then node 2 pointing to next node address, that is adjacent address. Then the last node pointing to the first node address, which is the first node 1000. Okay, the head pointer pointing to the starting node address. What is starting node address? 1000. Okay, this will be the similar example we have to follow in the circular singly linked list. Okay, so travel cells are displaying or printing an element in the list is we are going to verify all the elements present in this circular singly linked list. So later we are going to display 20, 40, 60 and then 80. These are the elements present in the circular linked list. Okay, here we are using a steps. Transversing in circular singly linked list can be done through a while loop statements. Alright, so initialize a temporary pointer variable that we call as a temp, that should be assigned to head pointer, and run the while loop until the next pointer of temp becomes head. Okay, take an example. If I'm having a 4 nodes, okay, initially temp equal head means temporary pointer pointing to the first node in the list. The temporary pointer can able to move from all the nodes and reachable at temporary pointer equal to, that is temp of next 1000 not equal to head pointer. Head pointer means 1000. If condition both are true means we reaches the exact position, that is all the nodes present in the circular singly linked list. And if you are going to search, that if you are going to visit all the nodes means after that using printf statement we can able to print temp of data. Okay, printf temp of data, they're going to print 20 and then 40, 60, 80, like this goes on. Okay, this will be using a while loop statements. Okay, here we are going to see the pictorial representation. First scenario is we have to check whether list is empty or not. Alright, so void is a return type, that is does not return any value to the users or programmer. Okay, so after that display list is a function. Here we are going to create a temporary pointer. Okay, temporary pointer can play a important key role. And then we have the first condition is if head pointer equal to null. Head pointer equal to null means list is empty. Okay, there is no node present in the circular singly linked list. Like that we are going to print an information to the users. This is the first possibility is. And the second possibility is if there is an n number of elements present in the circular singly linked list. Okay, take an example. If you have 4 nodes present in the circular linked list, our aim is we are going to print an output 11, 22, 33 and 44. So using else part, okay, first part is if head pointer equal to null. Else part is you have to check the conditions. Okay, I'm going to initialize temp equal head. Okay, what is the head pointer value? They're going to point to the first node in the list. If temp equal head means, okay, temporary pointer also having the value for head value, that is here 1000. Okay, 1000 means temporary pointer equal to 1000. Okay, this pointer pointing to the 1000 node address. What is 1000? This node address. Okay, and the printf, the elements present in the list are head. Okay, I'm going to print an output like that. Head. Okay, later I'll be explain what it is. While, okay, this is the very important scenarios we have to follow. So while temp of next not equal to head. What is temp of next? Temp of next, temp is 1000. 1000 of next is 2000. Okay, 2000 not equal to Head, what is head value? 1000. Condition true or false? Here condition true. Okay, condition true means it will be entered inside the while loop. Okay, printf arrow d. Okay, they're going to print arrow percentage d comma temp of data. What is temp of data? Temp is 1000. 1000 of data is 11. Okay, here the value is 11. Here the value is 11. I'm getting an output as here 11. Okay, that I will be explain this. And then coming to this condition, temp equal temp of next. This temp should be pointing to next node in the list. So how can I able to change temp of next? What is temp? Temp is 2000. So temp is 1000. 1000 of next is pointing to this node, that is 2000. Here temp should be changed into 2000. Okay, here this pointer is terminated and the link is made from, okay, here it should be changed into 2000. Alright, 2000. This pointer should be moved from this node in the list, the second node in the list. Have you understand? And then again they're going to check the condition. Temp of next. What is temp? 2000 of next. 2000 of next is this node, that is 3000. Here temp of next is that is 3000. What is head value? It should be constant 1000. Okay, not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Again condition true. Enter inside the loop. Okay, arrow d. This will be printing percentage d comma temp of data. What is temp of data? Temp is 2000. 2000 of data is 22. Okay, here temp of data is 22. Have you understand? Here it should be changed into arrow 22. I'm getting output like this. Okay, 22 followed by arrow. Okay, I'm getting output like this. And then temp equal temp of next. What is temp? Temp pointing to 2000. 2000 of next is 3000. Okay, here's temporary pointer can be moved from third node in the list. Okay, here temporary pointer is 3000. Okay, the while loop here should be while loop is going on 3000, and then here it should be changed into $3,000 in the list. Okay, I understand. Here the point is moved from third node in the list. Okay, 3000, and then again they're going to check the condition while loop. While temp of next. What is temp? Temp is 3000. 3000 of next is here 4000. Alright, here temp of next is 4000. Here it should be changed into 4000. 4000 not equal to head is 1000. Condition true or false? Condition again true. True means enter inside the loop arrow d, that is arrow percentage d. Percentage d is temp of next. Temp of next. Temp is 3000. 3000 of next is 33. Okay, here it should be changed into should be changed into 33. Okay, and then I'm getting output as here 33. Alright, I understand. And then going to print an output. Okay, temp equal temp of next. What is temp? Temp is 3000. 3000 of next is, what is 3000 of next? 3000 of next is 4000. Okay, this is 4000. Okay, they're going to point to the temp should be changed into 4000. Okay, here 4000. Alright, so temporary pointer here should be changed into 4000 in the list. Okay, the pointer is pointing to the fourth node in the list. Okay, have understand? And then again they're going to check the condition. While temp of next not equal to 8, what is temp? Temp is 4000. 4000 of next is, this is 4000 of next. Okay, 4000 of next is here is 1000. 1000 not equal to 1000. Condition true or false? Condition here fails. Okay, condition fails means it never executed this while loop statement. Come out of the while loop statement. Okay, and then using printf statement we can able to print the last statement. What is last statement? Printf arrow. Here I am getting an output as arrow. And then so what is temp of data? Temp is 4000. 4000 of data is, okay, what is 4000 of data? 4000 of data is, okay, this is 44. Okay, here I am getting output as 44. Okay, that is arrow D. This is arrow D. Temp of data. Temp is 40. Temp is 4000. 4000 of data is 44. Okay, going to print the output and come out of the loop. Okay, this is the proper way we can able to travel cells each and every node. Travels in all the sense visiting each and every node present in the list. Okay, and then after that they're going to print the statement using temp of data. Okay, temp plays an important key role. The temp can able to identify what is the element present in the each and every node and print the each and every node using temp of data. Okay, temp next is called as in we are going to point to the next node in the list. Okay, this is the way we are going to print an element in the circular singly like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video.